4 WCA highlights for 2023. Max Park 3x3 world record 3:13. One of the most anticipated records of the last 5 years. 3x3 is the most important discipline in WCA and every speedcuber dreams of setting a world record in it. The last time it was done by Yiheng in 2018, a little known speedcuber from China. He solved a Rubik's Cube in 3:47, breaking the former by almost 1 second. And now, in 2023, Max Park managed to break that record by 0:34, and now it's 3:13.
Yes! Yes!
Speedcubing growing in popularity in Asia. In March 2023, Yiheng who was 9-year-old at the time, set a world record in 3x3 with an average time of 4:69. And 3 months later, he breaks his own record and it's now 4:48. 9-year-old Yiheng shocked everyone because it was the first time the world had ever seen such a thing. But with each new competition, people started to notice more and more young talents from Asia. And in the final of the World Championships, there were 6 Asians out of 16 competitors. Many of these competitors are not even 10 years old. This means that speedcubing has grown in popularity in Asia, and we should expect more and more new talents.
How our young competitor responds. It's fluid as well. Some lucky last pair. 652.
But it's EBLL.
United States Nationals 2023. One of the most anticipated and traditional United States competition. Speedcubers love this event for the sheer number of competitors and all the WCA disciplines. But the most interesting thing is of course to find out who will be the US 3x3 champion this year. The finals were very tense and lived up to expectations. Max Park took first place with an average of 5:52.
It's our first sub-5.
Lugard came in second with a 6:03 average.
$560.
And Kyle Santucci with a 6:19 average.
Fantastic case.
Fastest solve we've seen so far.
World Championship. The most important competition in speedcubing, which happens only once every 2 years. This year they became one of the most tragic in history. In fact, it's the most interesting 3x3 final of all time. The main competitors were Max Park, Yiheng and Tim Kosinski. Max Park showed stable solve and gave a great average time of 5:31.
Max fluid. This looks good. ZBLL. 4:54.
Timon showed 2 sub-5 solves and got an average time of 5:42.
Do the same. And he has gone for yellow cross.
This is
That's fast.
Apron. Yes!
But Yiheng was in between and gave an average time of 5:32, 0.01 seconds behind Max Park, thereby losing the first place.
Oh, Eperm? No!
Max Park is your world champion!
What?
Thus Yiheng would become the youngest world champion ever.